Morning guys, it's Ashley here. We've got this nice Jaguar F-Type in today for a bigger pulley. So this is one of ours Paramount pulleys. So if you can see just up there, I've got to change this one just up there. So we're just going to take off this under tray here to get more visibility. Just the thing about this here, you've got to take this off to get behind, because then you've got bolts for the under tray. All the way, that's hidings. One. So there's 1 out of 6, which these are the bolts that put the pulley onto the other pulley, which is connected to the crank. Number 3. Right, finally we got there. Old pulley, and then the new one. Benefits of a big lower pulley is spins the supercharger faster, creates more boost pressure, and then it will create more horsepower and torque. So this bit here, obviously because it's metal and they rust a little bit, and so when you go to put the pulley back on, sometimes it gets a bit stuck. So you want to make sure that's all nice and smooth all the way around, so therefore you'll have no hiccups and it should just slide straight on. So it's a bit of Loctite, and these nuts should always do this on these, because the vibrations will go through. So the pulleys are under vibration, so because obviously as it's going round constantly, so what that tends to do is lock it in place, so therefore it shouldn't move or anything like that. Right, let's install it. Just putting everything back on, put everything back in now. So all under trays back on. Obviously with these ones, they got hidden bolts.